Hey there! This video guide introduces you to the Call Data Records report in the CommPeak PBX Stats platform. Here, you will learn how to adjust search filters, what is included in a standard report, and how to listen to call recordings. CDR, or Call Data Record lists, provide detailed call reports by applying many flexible filters. You can filter the data according to your requirements by time range, agent, destination or the number dialed, country, and other options. Advanced search provides more options. For example, you can select an international prefix or search for whispered or other call types. If you use the same search filters repeatedly, you can save them as a template. Selecting the Public checkbox makes the template available to other users. To apply your filters, click Search. At the top of the report, you will see summary insights about the total number of calls and the number of inbound, outbound, and other calls. Below, the table will display details about the calls within your filters, such as when the call started or what type of call it was, whether it was an outgoing, incoming, or internal call, and if it was transferred, what was the destination number, and so on. Here, you can see that the destination numbers are masked. Learn more about the phone number masking feature in this guide. The duration column shows the conversation's billable time, which means the duration of the call from the moment it was answered or the voicemail started playing. The total duration of the call, including the ringing time, is displayed in brackets. On the right, there is a drop-down menu from which you can listen to call recordings. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes for the data to synchronize with the PBX for recent calls. There is a built-in media player to listen to recordings.
Hello, thank you for calling Florida's Resort.
And download them. You can export a report to CSV, Excel, or PDF formats by clicking on the Save icon. When ready, the report will appear for download on the Tasks list page. Good luck!